After a long, hectic and hard-working day, you reached home with sweets in hand and the welcome was shocking. All of us called you and you did not pick the phone up. With whom were you? But I did not receive a single call. Lawyer, look at the phone. Don't show us you have deleted our phone calls. And so on and on. This is never-ending story of a simple and family-oriented person. Alright, now let's confirm. Try to call them, you don't get through. Ask them to call you. They get ringing bell, but you don't. It means there is some problem. Alright, so the guidance of Magic's Global Guide will guide you on this issue too. We make sure that the phone is working, signal strength is full and the battery is full. So try this. Switch off the phone, remove the battery and SIM card, rub the connecting points of the battery and the SIM card, insert them back and restart the phone. Now call them, you get through, and ask them to call you, they also get through. So be happy now and enjoy life, and thank you for your time. See you soon. Bye bye.